Meaning of G-string.
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 G-string. A G-string is a type of women's underwear that consists of a narrow strip of fabric, or sometimes just a thin piece of string, that goes between the buttocks and connects to a small piece of fabric at the front. The term G-string is believed to have originated from the resemblance of the rear portion to the string of a musical instrument. G-strings are often worn for their minimal coverage or to avoid visible panty lines. However, they can also be considered provocative or suggestive in certain contexts.